Welcome. Today I am with Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s and I'll show you how you can enable or disable Google Feed, the Google News. I'm talking about this option. So as you can see, in my case this option is enabled as a default, but if you want to get rid of that, you have to simply click and hold on your home screen. Right now you have to tap on the right bottom corner on the settings icon and then go for more. And as you can see right now, we can find this feature right here. So when you tap on it once on that feature, you are going to turn off this option. So when we are going back for our home screen and swipe on the left, we are not able to enter this Google Discover feature. And in order to turn it on, just do the same, but tap on this feature and make it on the blue highlight. As you can see right now, when we go back and swipe, we are able to use Google Discover. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.